What if I told you that your low energy, belly fat, and fading motivation after 40 could all be traced back to one silent change, your testosterone dropping? No, you don't need injections or hormone therapy. The truth is, there are natural, proven ways to bring your testosterone back up and feel like yourself again. By the time you hit 40, your testosterone has likely declined by at least 1% every year. That may not sound like much, but over a decade, it adds up. Symptoms creep in quietly. Less energy, even after sleep muscle loss, even with workouts, mood swings, brain fog, and low drive. So what can you do? Let's break down 5 real strategies that actually work. No gimmicks. 1. Prioritize quality sleep. Poor sleep is testosterone's worst enemy. Just 1 week of 5-hour nights can reduce T levels by 10–15%. Aim for 7–8 hours of deep, consistent sleep. No screens an hour before bed, avoid caffeine after 2 p.m., and try magnesium before sleep. 2. Strength training with compound movements. Lifting weights is powerful, especially moves like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These big lifts trigger hormone production. Train 3–4 times a week, keeping workouts intense but not excessive. 3. Eat the right fats. Your hormones are made from cholesterol, so your body needs healthy fats. Add whole eggs, avocados, fatty fish, olive oil. Avoid trans fats and processed seed oils. 4. Drop the sugar, especially liquid sugar. Excess sugar spikes insulin, and chronically high insulin lowers testosterone. That soda, that sweetened coffee creamer, those snacks, they're doing more harm than you think. 5. Use natural boosters. Ashwagandha, zinc, and vitamin D. Ashwagandha reduces stress and boosts testosterone. Zinc is essential for hormone production. Pumpkin seeds and oysters are rich sources. Vitamin D acts like a hormone. Get 15–20 minutes of sun or take a high-quality D3 supplement. Bonus tip: try intermittent fasting, eating in an 8-hour window. It improves insulin sensitivity and supports hormone health. Remember, testosterone loss isn't a life sentence. With a few smart changes, you can take back your energy, strength, and drive. Like this video and subscribe for more proven health strategies for men over 40.